Hi there everybody. On today's video I have this VW Touran. This is a 2008 model, right-hand drive, and I'm just going to be changing the pollen filter in it. This is my new pollen filter here. Looks a little bit basic, but it is a Bosch, and that is the part number there, M2097. Now basically if we get down here into the footwell and we just look up, there's just some fasteners that we need to undo, these little ones. I've already undone a little bit, so those are the ones. And then this okay, so just get that out of the way, and in there we have that cover around the back, this cover here, and that basically has the pollen filter. Okay, so I just got the light on, but once you have that little cover out, we need to push that open and just take it down. And this is our pollen filter here. Which definitely is a little bit, not a little bit, it's really dirty. This particular one is a man filter, and well, this can only go one way. As it's got the cut on that side. You could remove these if need be, but these pollen filters are fairly flexible. Okay, that's in there. Get that little cover back on and slide it and lock in place. That's it. Just slide it all the way into place. I guess, well, if you're using two hands, it's a bit easier. And then just put your bottom cover back on, and that's it. So I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.